Good morning. If I am audible and visible to everyone, wow, we have around 26, 27 people already. So good morning everyone for the, this extra session for the next 3 days program. Okay, so one second, let's just change the setting here a little bit. Yeah. So let's, why I kept this session. First thing is that one, this is a 3 days plan. So when we start detoxification program, what happened exactly, there is a lot of curiosity, there is a lot of doubts, there is a lot of questions, and if there is a communication gap, there is a lot of issues that happens. So I want to address them before we are going to the actual program. See, the actual program is of the 3 days of the program. Please just send to the somebody if they have some link issue. Okay, one second. Fine. Yes. So these are the 3 days agenda, and this is actually after doing hundreds of this program, it is completely renewed and a very different type of detoxification program in a short duration. Means there is a lot of study keep on doing, keep on doing. A lot of people know me exactly. There was done some of my detoxification program earlier also, but it is a long way in last 4 5 years, mainly on this area. There is a lot and lot of changes which are happen. One second. Lot and lot of changes happen. So what is exactly is going to happen from next 3 days? Please understand, tomorrow is the first day, so I will just take you day by day journey, and please don't bother about anything. How much you can do, please do that one. Don't try to be forceful or stressful or something, or oh, something is look like too many things are there, how I can do. See what happened exactly. It is just like a mathematical formula. So still you start solving it, it's look very difficult, but the moment you start working on that one, it gets solved. This is the same thing. See, detoxification is a very big journey. So the first day means tomorrow, Friday, we are going to prepare for the deep detoxification of the body and mind. Please understand one thing. So yesterday somebody talked about the gut health and mental health and all these things. Lot of research is done in this area. Tell me one thing. How many of you seen the movie called Piku? Let me just see in the chat. How many people are seeing the movie called Piku? Piku Piku. Amitabh Bachchan's and I think so Vidya Balan, correct? Vidya Balan only, na? Amitabh Bachchan and Vidya Balan. That Amitabh Bachchan movie. I remember Amitabh Bachchan movie exactly. How many of you seen the Pico? Please chat in the this chat box. If you've seen that movie, please just tell me that one. What was the concept in that movie? Anybody can? I'm not talking about a big science or something. Okay, please, if you don't watch, please watch it exactly. It's an amazing movie. This whole movie is based on the constipation. This whole movie is based on the constitution. So how the constipation is happen and what you can do. This is the whole movie based on that particular part. Yeah, it's a Deepika Padukone. Thank you, Milin. Thank you very much. So it's actually a Deepika Padukone and Amitabh Bachchan movie. So as I remember Amitabh Bachchan, but I remember, see, that's if your morning activity means a morning motion is not clean, how you feel the whole day. How you feel the whole day. See, physically, whatever is happening, that is another part. And lot of people are, suffering because of you, a lot of gases and lot of issues. That is another part. But how you feel yourself, no energy, no freshness, nothing is happening. So we are going to prepare your body now for activating your gut system. Now the first day, it's a very, very important day because 9th Saturday, because it's a holiday. I just designed the program so nobody has to take the leaves and then still they can manage the whole program. So tomorrow is a Friday. So tomorrow we are going to go on the liquid diet. Why? And this liquid diet is a such a way designed that when you will not feel even 0.1% of the energy drain or something. Instead of that, you will get energy. Yes, but some people will be there if they have some medical condition. So for them, anyway, if anybody has a kidney issue or a very severe diabetic something, please contact me separately because I have to reduce some things into this one. I'm going to give you the complete day-wise schedule. Every hour schedule, we're going to give it to you. See, I'm not going to just give you this half an hour of consultation or something. Whole this program will be run for the 72 hours now. Means even the resolve, yog nidra, your sleep, your home detoxification, your physical detoxification, your mental detoxification. I'm trying to give whatever best I can do in these 3 days. But please don't overwhelm. Please don't overwhelm. Nothing. See, life is very simple. Don't make it complicated. And I came up, see, I was a person from the school of thought where I was very pushy. I try to push people very hard. I try to push people to do means to do. But now I find out, like at the end, adult learning is a very different part. And second part is that one at the end, it's a 80-20 law, means that it's work exactly, like it's work like that way in a 4% law, means, like I'm not discussing too much, but is again 20% people will do each and everything. Maybe another people will be have some challenges. But please, you require 6 tender coconut, 6 lemon, 6 date, rock salt. Why rock salt now? See, tomorrow we're going to do the first very important part is known as a detox bath. Detox bath. I'm just telling you what you're going to get in this program. You don't have idea. Lot of new things are come up into this one. Even the people who done my program 3-4 times. In this group, there are people who done my program like a 10 days, 21 days, 14 days, all program, and still they are part of this 3 days program. Anyway, see, this detoxification is suggested based on your toxins, your medical condition, and for a normal person, this 3 days detoxification can be done every month. Now, some tell, like that, oh, sir, we are eating very healthy food. We are like a vegetarian. We are this one, and like we are not eating this one, that one, and we are very healthy. But then I have a question: what air we breathe? What water we drink? And even the food you eat, how much it's very clean, and this one nowadays, like a GM food and so much of pesticides and everything is there. So Milind, I will discuss with you exactly on that part. This is something very, like a different case altogether. We'll discuss on that part. Because the first day program is not exactly the way it has to be done. I will give the solution and these things. So only 2 people who have the actually mainly very severe diabetes, mainly the creatine level is very high, and somebody has the kidney issue or blood pressure is very high. So they have to, like a consult me. I'll give the complimentary lesson. Anyway, today we're going to do the form filling and everything step by step. So don't worry about that one. So don't worry about that one. Any questions, please feel free to contact me. Please WhatsApp me first. I will anyway check the WhatsApp. SMS, if suppose there is no response to the WhatsApp and it is emergency. Until if I respond to the SMS, you can call me. Because anyway, these 4 days I have a lot of workshops and everything apart from this course exactly. But I will try to help as much as possible to give you the lifetime experience. See why this warm water, turmeric and bay leaves and everything, because we're going to do tomorrow. First thing is the detox bath using the Epsom salt. If you don't have Epsom salt, rock salt, sea salt, or whatever normal salt, it is perfectly fine. Salt is salt. But you have to take a detox bath tomorrow. I'll tell you, this actually cleans your aura, and actually this improves your immune system also. Telling honestly, means it's going to help you in this particular environment. Now, if your body and mind is not externally clean, internal cleaning also is get affected. So we're going to do that one. What is this eye mask for? Actually, I'm going to recommend you to do some yoga nidra or some meditation. How much is possible? But a lot of distraction is there nowadays. Everybody's at home and everything. So use the eye mask, means like just like that we use in the flight when we travel the international flight. So that's actually reduced a lot of distractions. Earplug and the eye mask. Body dialogue recording, I already share. If somebody is not clear about that one, this is one of the best meditations given by one of my mentor, Dr. Newton Kondawati. See, you are talking to your body. What exactly happened in our life? We take our body granted. Why? I told you, you want to understand the life. I recommend go to the civil hospital or the government hospital. This is experience actually. When I was studying in Pune University, I used to go doctor. Sorry, not a doctor. Dada JP Vaswani. Anybody know Dada JP Vaswani? And then his disciple Vaswani ji was there. Vaswani mission exactly. So one person, like a one very smart boy and everything from the BJ Medical College. It's one of the top medical college in Maharashtra. So he came to him and he attended the suicide, but somebody took to him. Now Dada was not there, but JP Vaswani is exactly is there. So JP Vaswani ji has a very different type of beautiful way of teaching the people. What he told, my dear son, you want to do suicide? You look very smart, you look handsome, you are so intelligent, means you got 100% marks, that's why you are in BJ Medical. But still you want to do the suicide? Please do, no problem. But can you postpone the date? So instead of today, can you just postpone by the 7 days? And then he told him to please go and stay in a Sassoon hospital. If anybody know Pune, they knows about that one. There is a Sassoon hospital. Just stay there for the 3 days and then come back to me. Then we'll, finalize your suicide date. Actually, you just tell him that one. No big lessons, nothing. He sent him to the Sassoon hospital. His fellow went there, and then when he seen the life, his depression is run away forever. He came, he touched the Dada's feet exactly. Sorry, JP Vaswaniji's feet, and his life is transformed. He's one of the best doctor now, of Maharashtra. See, these are all the beautiful things. See, this is what happened. So this body we take granted. We take life also granted. Why? Because we don't see the other side. But when you go to the hospital, I went to this experience exactly when I got my this nervous system issue in the accident, multiple accident. I'll tell you that times you understand the life. So this body dialogue meditation is talking with your body and thanking the each and every part of the body. See, for the persons who don't the hand, for him hand is important. The persons who don't have the legs, for him the leg is important. For the person who don't have the kidney, ask him that one how much kidney is important. For the person who have the creatine problem, ask him that one what is the importance of kidney, because he cannot drink the water more than 700 ml in a day. It will affect your each and every part of the body. So that is body dialogue meditations. Then I ask you to buy one good quality diary, and I'll tell you this is itself will be the biggest achievement of your this program. Please understand, a lot of people comes with me, but what is my perspective exactly is no like a body cleaning I can do very quickly. But what happened about the mind, what about the soul, what about the family, what about the society, all these parameters, and how you can carry this journey. So you've done the very good cleaning of the body with using this beautiful conditioning. That itself is increase your energy also. But you have a lot of negativity, negative energy, negative thinking, negative pattern. Then what will happen? That I was teaching about spiritual diet. In that, then there is a beautiful statement. It is not matter what you eat. It is matter what is your mental condition when you eat. So that book she proved people who are eating only cucumber and the salad still not able to lose the weight. But there are the people who are eating even the junk food on the earth, but still they lose. They did not put on the weight. It's all the game of the metabolism. It's all the game of the mind actually. Means what happened internally, the conversion, that a lot of research is done. So your mental states affected. So take the white paper pen. Then camphor is required. I'll suggest you camphor. Even for your detox bath, you require camphor. You have to keep on burning the camphor there, or you can put one diya also there, ghee ka diya. Then wrist dhaga. So I just want everybody to put some dhaga or rubber, just to remind that from today onwards you are on the journey of this detoxification of the body, mind, and soul. So we are going to promise ourselves, we are not going to talk negative, we are not going to use negative anything, all this part. Then Jalneti pot, this is the Jalneti pot if you see in my slide. That red colors and blue colors and everything is shown. If you are, it's perfectly fine. If you don't have, I'm going to send you the recording how you can do the Jalneti without a pot. You can do with the glass also, but I'm going to give simplified version where you can drink with the mouth and take out with the nose. And that is a beautiful for the even for the blood pressure. And it will even clear your whole throat and the nose tract, and that is the best things you can do into this situation, because coronavirus cannot stay there. See, when I recorded one video and I talk about Jalneti into that video 2 months back, and not only 2 months back, this Jalneti we use for the thousands of people in the swine flu time. This time it is complete lockdown. At least swine flu time there was not a complete lockdown, so a lot of options was available to teach the people and everything. Thousands of people actually use. Now there is the Dinanath Mangeshkar doctor, they done the research and they're telling Jalneti they're doing 2 times, and not a single person, not a single doctor, not a single nurse, not a single staff is got the infection. So now see, this is what I told the message exactly 2.5, 3 months back. March 6, I recorded the video exactly on the corona. Don't get panic. I will share that if you want. I told about the Jalneti and Vamandoti, both the things into that video. And there is an American doctor actually who got the corona. So instead of going to the hospital, he actually just done the Vamandoti for a week, and it's completely cure. Forget about the prevention. It's completely cure. So we are going to teach all these things. Not only that one, we are going to the all the next level, all these things. Okay, then I told you about the cleaning of house. So decluttering. So at least wherever office is you sit, or wherever your table is there, or the house, please do some cleaning today, because tomorrow you cannot do. Sorry, day after tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow onwards you cannot do, because you will be busy with the schedule. I'm going to give you every 1 hour, 45 minutes, whatever is required, complete day wise schedule for next 72 hours. See, what you pay is not important for me. I'm going to give you the at least 10 times value. And it is my wish to the God. I should give you the most value possible. So I really request a God for that one. And then there is a lemon, and then there is a lemon juice with the dates. Dates is not for the people with the diabetes, remember, because dates will be immediately increase the sugar. But they can take just only the lemon juice. For others, lemon juice with the dates will like a tasty drinks that we're going to drink for 6 times tomorrow, and we are going to have the coconut water 6 times tomorrow. And lot of procedures will be happen, but please don't get panic. They will be complementary to your whole day schedule. Please don't get panic. Actually, I'm attending a tomorrow whole day workshop from 10 o'clock to 7 o'clock, and I'm conducting this workshop also. So please don't feel, and I'm doing this program with you. So please have the convictions and have the this one. Oh, it's itna ho gaya, how I can do? No, it is just a step. How much time it takes to have one lemon juice? 2 minutes. How much time it will take to take one coconut water? 2 minutes. But both the things you have to take with a spoon. I will give you the whole clear-cut instruction. But this is just the induction program. So I'm just taking about the how the program will be happen in 3 days. So there will be no doubt and there will be no question. So I will finish in 3 minutes, and then I will take 10-15 minutes of questions answer. We will not go to the beyond some time because it's a working day for a lot of people. Second day is a very important day. We are going to use a 7 to 8, a very different type of very deep um, Purnima, I'll come back to you, but if you get a tender coconut, that will be the good thing. I'll give the option if somebody don't get, but please get if you get, because that is the best thing on the earth. I'll come back to that point. So coming back to the important point, what will happen? Second day is very important, my dear friend. And I have a very specific request. I know 41 people already joined this program, and maybe another some 7-8 people are there who are not joined the program, but they are just part of this induction. So if they want to join, they are welcome. Not join, it's perfectly fine. But please don't do any type of shut kriyas or any types of detoxification technique without the guidance of the teacher. Now see, I am doing this process in a such a way that one single persons will not get any type of side effect. I'm ensuring that one. And I conducted this online for the hundreds of people from the, like a US to the Indonesia to the Singapore or whatever countries are there. So please have the faith. But please don't take your own intelligence to use. Because a lot of time what happened, you try to use your intelligence. I'm not talking about the heart. Actually, your heart gives you a lot of correct decision. But don't use your intelligence. Yes, Big Basket, Milk Basket, and all these apps actually they provide this one. There are a lot of are there. I'm already got my quota for tomorrow. So this is what is exactly like a very important thing. So the Saturday is very important day. But I have request for it is already a 40 people who join. For them, it's compulsory to take a complete rest on the Saturday Sunday. Please don't keep anything on Saturday Sunday. Please give these 2 days of your life for yourself. Please, I'll tell you your life will be transformed all the level, and you will see the instant result. So going to the Shat Kriya. Now Shat Kriyas contains actually 6 things. It starts with like a Neti, Dhauti, then you can call as the this one is called as the one of the called as a Shankha Prakshalna, Trataka, Basrika, and what you can call as a Nauli. So in this one, I modified as per this one because see, a lot of new people are there. They don't have the yogic background, and these processes are very difficult. So I completely transform them and change them as per the normal person with a very clear cut and simple instruction they can do. So please remember, we're going to cover all this particular part. I'm going to give the video for everything. So please invest these 3 days. So take out some time for yourself. And I'm telling you, it's not going to affect. I told you already, I'm attending the webinar, seminar, I'm attending the workshop itself. Forget about the webinar, seminar, workshop itself, and top of that one, conducting this program also. So if I can do, you can definitely do. Yeah, Raj, if somebody is committed for some other workshop, please wait for the next opportunity. Definitely will come, not an issue at all, exactly. So this will be the second day part. So here, if you see something very important is called as a silence. It is fine, my dear friend. I'm just telling you that one. See, what happened whenever we open the mouth. See, actually, I had one these questions throughout my life. What exactly human contribute to this universe? You know, when your anus is open, you throw the shit. Where your skin's pores is open, you throw the sweat. Means again toxins. When you urinate, you send the toxins. When you breathe and send out everything, you take a pure air and you send the carbon dioxide. You again to the negativity. What exactly human being actually contribute to universe. Can anybody can answer into the chat what exactly humans contribute to this universe? Actually, we are the consumers only, correct? 99% we are consumer. But one thing human being contribute to this universe, and what is that? Can anybody please update that one? Or maybe somebody got something stick or open the this one. Can anybody? What human being contribute positively to universe? See, whatever whenever you get open and see open the mouth, you shout on the people. Open the mouth, we have the negativity. Srikant talk positivity. See, you cannot just contribute positivity. Universe don't understand positivity and negativity. Telling honestly. Yeah, Prasanthi talks about vibes. Okay, it is called, yeah, intention is very nice actually what Mani told. But exactly, like what is that? See, it's not wrong. Somebody talk about negativity, somebody talk about positivity, somebody talk about vibes, somebody talk about intentions. All these things are nothing but the energy. See, in my whole life, I was keep on searching my spiritual dimension. I went to the ashram to find out, what is real spirituality, what real life. And I had one big doubt. Why these people sannyasis do in the Himalaya? Are they the boj on the this particular they are like like a boj ko kya bolte English mein? Boj is like they are like like all the diabetes patients are the boj. Boj nahi, not blessings. Jai Prakash, blessing is opposite. Boj means is like they are like burden. They are like a burden on the society. But actually then like after a long study and on my own meditation, I got one day answer. My dear friend, it's the whole game of the energy. Now energy can be divided into the positive negativity now. Yes, burden exactly. Yeah. So you like you are they burden, but then I find out, see, they are contributing the positivity, and because of that, when the pieces happen, so it's a game of the like in a corporate world, 51% share, he's become a CEO, correct? He's become a controller of that particular thing. So same thing is happened. Still, the energy, positive energy is 51%, 50 or above, everything looks smooth. But the moment the positive energy or that energy level that like that thanks blessings this come down, even 49 level, earthquake, tsunamis, corona, everything will become. So only we can contribute the energy. Now energy can be anything, but human being actually creating a lot of negativity. See the amount of weapon, amount of things and everything are with are contributing. So I'm going to explain anyway these things to you in a very detailed manner. But remember, but clarity is required. So please remember that particular part. Candle required, not a big things. Moong dal, rice, these all things are easily available. Please make a list. Silence you cannot buy, but silence you can incorporate. So please don't think it's a buying list. I just complicate something because I want people to take some action. And third day is like a life transforming day. So second day, actually, when you are completely cleanse your body, your mind is also get cleansed. Now you are not the same person. So when your toxins come out, you are not the same person. Already there is a lot of positivities happening internally. Your body already the external field also is clean. Now you are in a very different state of mind. Now this is the day where I'm going to reveal that $50 health and fitness blueprint to you. I told you, correct, that health and fitness blueprint. How? And this health and fitness of base, like a base of everything. And that is the best contribution you can do for yourself, your family, your community, your society, your nation. India is losing, like how much money then, like anybody know how much one diabetic person actually loses in his whole life cycle, the amount of money he loses in one life cycle. I talk about that one. Actually, when I was doing my print, I was supposed to work on the diabetic people only, but then I got my purpose, my vision is got clear, and like it's gone very beyond that one. Definitely that is a one part of that one, because India is actually spending like a millions of dollar every year on diabetic and diabetic related issues, exactly, or psychosomatic diseases. But anybody know exactly on an average in India and USA how much one diabetic patient? Yeah, money absolutely. Oh, you heard it before me. Yes, in India itself, actually directly or indirectly, one diabetic patient actually land up spending minimum 15 lakhs. Forget about the poor people who cannot afford. That's why they not able to handle the complications also sometimes. But it's a 15 lakhs one patient. Yes, it is 10 to 15 lakhs is minimum. 15 lakhs was is what average is come exactly. So please understand. So this third day, I'm going to work on this particular part: forgiveness, mission, vision, values, life, that health and fitness. I want each and every person to take their health. We should not like make such a way our life that we don't have to go to hospital for anything at all. See, and that is absolutely possible. That is absolutely possible. This is your life. This is your body. This is your health. And remember, body is a like a temple where the God resides. So please remember, if your temple is not clean, you are actually doing the injustice, or you are actually insulting to the that universal consciousness of the God. So we are going to work on this particular part. You have to write more and more. If you can see, it's everything is written. See, you'll see my diaries. Even yesterday, like a lot of people seen that when some of you join also. I just got the idea and I write it in my diary. Please let's everybody get the idea what exactly we are doing in 3 days, because I not done any webinar for this one. Universal consciousness was very great to me. He sent me around 41 people exactly already, without any effort, without any big advertisement, nothing. So I'm adding these small components, and I'll give one statement. I'm not going to talk long because I find out it is not working. I keep on talking too much. I'm talking something in a different plane, and people are in a different plane, and nothing is happening. So at the end, what happened exactly? The result should become connection should be happen. Energy should be contributed. So my dear friend, please take. We are going to work on a very deeply on the third day. You don't know what we're going to do it, but please give your best part. So why I'm doing this? That is a question. I went to this thing. I told you already when I got this my nervous system issue and my even when I was initially I was thinking it's an accident only. So I went to the hospitals and like I initially they not understand and everything. And that particular point of time, that hospital people me I went undergone for treatment for 1 year, and that make me a patient actually. Means I was quite very good, but even after accident and everything, I come back and I start work. But the more allopathic medicine I took on, and the more and more I become like in that mindset, because what the medicine you take means what you are reminding that you are not well. Please understand the first thing is that actually my study shows that when the moment you take the medicine, you are telling to your body that you are not well, something is missing. If you don't have the positive attitude when you are taking the medicine, that medicine is become a poison actually. Already the allopathic medicines 99% are poison. Yeah, in emergency it is required. I don't want to go into some type of controversy and everything. That is not my job. I want to be enjoy that peace, happiness, and everything universe is giving to me. So it's perfectly fine. So I went to this journey, and one point of time I was not able to read, I was not able to write, I was not able to understand. I stopped my journaling, I stopped everything. I don't know what I was doing in my life, because they given me such a heavy amount of steroid, baclofen, and all this other tablets will be like like anti, what you can call them exactly. The steroid is like anti depression tablet actually, to just stop it down. And I'll tell you that one, it's like a become a dead body altogether. But when this naturopathy come in my life, it's transformed me completely. Today, what I'm doing, you see, can you see that one exactly? No, exactly. I was stopped in between. Is it fine now? If I'm audible, it is fine. If you are not able to see the video also, it's perfectly fine. So dear friend, please understand, this is a journey. And I want you have the borderline diabetes. So you see, we have my dear friend Jai Prakash here in a group he put. He's created and he's came back just with the 14 days of the program. And he's very committed. And I'm telling you, it's going to create a miracle in your life. So please commit yourself for these 3 days. Nothing else from my side. This is a request. I decided it exactly for my 30 minutes. I done from my side. So I really pray that to my God. And even I want to thanks to each and every person who is the part of this one, because you people are giving me the opportunity to serve. And I don't know, if you get 1% benefit, I get a 10% benefit. This is called the contribution. If you give the wood, the fire comes to you. Do more for the society, more comes to you. And I seen this law. So I'm just telling you, everything's also contribute. I want 9 more people for this program, because 51 was my intention when I launched this program. And I think so we are reached to 43, 44 something. So another 8 or 9 people we want. So I request everybody, please involve your friends or family members, somebody who is there. That's it. 51 is my target. Afterwards, it's fine. I don't bother exactly if somebody come or not. But we are already officially starting the program today. Lot of communication will be happen. Lot of documentation to come to you. Please do it step by step. So I pray that you give me the strength to forge ahead in life and fulfill the destiny that you have placed in front of me. My dear friends, I find out my destiny just now. I find out my purpose of life just now. I was working on the Ikigai from long time. I working from last 30 years exactly, correct? I know yoga and everything. I'm a yoga teacher from last 25 years. but still I never understand what is real yoga, what is the destiny, what is the purpose of the life, and what happened. Please remember, you born two times. One, you born to your mother, and second day when you understand the purpose of your life. And to fulfill your purpose of the life, you have to have a healthy body, or else always there is a some type of constraint which will block you. So thanks guys. Any questions? Now let me take a questions. If you don't have any questions, and if you are clear, and if you want to go for your work, you are fine to go. I told 701 to 731, so I done. Thanks for attending. Whoever is there, either they are the registered people or non-registered people, not matter. I love everybody same way. Everybody is part of the same energy. It's a welcome, and I just want that 51. I don't know. This was my intention from the universal consciousness, and that's it. But there is no attachment. I don't have a single attachment for that one. But please push yourself for next 3 days. And before you leave, I want everybody to tell that one, sir, we are committed for these 3 days. Now let me take the simultaneous question also. Tetanus plus migraine issue. Yes, it will be work very beautifully, Raju Singh. I'll tell you, it will be like create a, like a migraine. You can ask. There is one girl in my program actually. Her name is what is this? Mina. Please ask exactly. Her migraine is cured in last 14 days program. But I find out 14 days also is not that much required. If you are taking the action and you are following, you will get this one. So migraine is because of the toxins moves from the stomach reason. Acidity comes to the upper portion, and then when it is reached to the like a whole body, it's create the migraine. You'll feel the migraine itself is like a come down very badly in this one. So I want everybody to write, sir, we are committed for the next 3 days. Give your best, and it's not going to disturb your regular life. But Saturday, Sunday, I will recommend, please don't keep any TV, any social media, nothing. Please just see my WhatsApp messages, and please connect it to this program. Perfectly fine. No, don't worry, Purnima. She will get a beautiful milk actually. Somebody asked me that when she's feeding to the 1 year baby, she should do it or not. I'll tell you that you will get more, and she will get a more without toxins milk actually from you. So please commit. And if you have any questions, please free to ask. I will definitely clarify your question. And if anybody want to join the program, please join with the link. Actually, I'm giving you. If you for somebody who is not done, let me just see. Is there that link? So if you not join, please join. If you want, I'm not like really want to sell or something. I don't know, but exactly what happened. My mentor is telling that one. If you don't sell, actually you are what you can call. You are actually depriving the people from the good work. Yeah. So everybody, please committed yourself for this one, and please remember, I am taking care all the precautions and everything. So don't worry. Feel free to send me the messages. I am telling you, WhatsApp is the best thing. If anybody want to please join, they can please come back to me also. So thanks. Any other questions? I have done Shankar Prakshan in March. Can I do again? March, April, May, June. Yeah, you can do it. It's already 3 months. It should be 3 months gap. In 3 months, you should do it exactly. Because it's a Lagu Shankar Prakshan, not a full Shankar Prakshan. Full Shankar Prakshan is a 3 months project. That was my MSc Yoga project also. Surya Namaskar and Shankar Prakshan. I'll tell you that one, like a full Shankar Prakshan can completely clean your body. Awesome Anurag, awesome Rasika, awesome Krishna Kiran, Santosh, all the people who are committed, please write. It's your commitment. You are writing to yourself. You are giving commitment to yourself. See, the more benefit you will get it, the more your family will be happy, the more your community will be happy, the more productive you will be, the more contribution you will do into the society, and ultimately it is the serving. I will definitely let you know, Milin. Actually, be the part of the group, whatever is there, maybe wherever from you get this message. Definitely, will do it next. I'm planning it to do once in a monthly, because this is a simple program, and 3 days people can easily do it. 3-4 days, it's not a big deal, correct? But when you have 14 days, 21 days, and everything, people has a lot of issues. So I'm working on the different type of models already. So any other question? If you don't have questions, we are good to close for that one. Dhanyavad, and really be blessed. And I'm praying to universal consciousness. Maybe somebody's messages I'm not able to reply, but I'm really praying to universal consciousness that whatever your intention, please, I send you that what is universe understand very clear cut statement. I told you that is like a menu card. It is, you cannot sit like into the hotel and you can like a go and waiter come to ask you what is your order. and then you told that one, "Ki give something, whatever you like." Will you like that one? And then whatever he better like, he will give it to you, correct? Yes, sir. Please, no problem, Milind sir. Please, thank you very much. It is like a throwing the seeds. You do good something for somebody else, it comes to you. But now, if you are very clear, you want to eat what, roti, sabji, curry, veg, non-veg, what, it will be very clear, correct? So it is like a menu card, and universe understand that language. So when I written my vision for 8 August 2025, even I am just thinking what I am eating, what is the smell, and how the life is transforming, what are things happening, which beach I am sitting nearby. See, this is what universe understand. And I'll tell you, universe created a lot of miracle in my life. Last 1 month is a whole of miracles. I'll tell you, I actually living the transformation, my dear friend, now. And I'm really thanks to the each and every person. Some people taught in a hard way, some people taught in a soft way, some people taught in a contributed way. Whatever way, but that is what makes you a very positive person. Daily timings is exactly same. 7 to 7:31 is a time, but you can just keep 5 to 10 minutes of extra if you have any question. I will complete the session by 7:01 to 7:31 what may come, but I'm ready to give you more if there is a question or doubt. Like we done this session 7:31 sharp because I want to maintain the time. But I'm ready for if somebody has the sir, it's took 25 years. Milind sir, it's took 25 years to find out the Ikigai. But when I discovered the process, it took me around 8 to 9 months after even knowing the process. And actually, what happened with the Ikigai, the more you explore and more you leave that one, more gates are open up. So it's 7:01 to 7:31 daily timings, Raju Singh. I am on diabetic and thyroid medication. Absolutely fine, Nagraj. That's what you will be reduce your all the medications. A lot of people left their insulin. People left their insulin, my dear friend. So this, I don't want to miss the questions. I'm just going down and seeing. So daily timings, I ask Raju's question. Nagraj, this is what is the purpose. People have to take like a 40 minutes 4 times in a day. They reduce completely that all this part. See, 7 to 7:30 is like giving you the idea. And then whole day you will be keep on working. It is time to drink a water. It is time to drink a coconut water. It is time to drink a lemon water. Program is like that way. So the instructions will be given you in a WhatsApp. Actually, I can run even this program only on WhatsApp also if required. But I want to give you the personal touch. I want to give because a lot of recorded videos are there. Awesome. That is very good things, Nagraj. I really, that's what, like you are avoiding that one. But, don't feel bad. But there is a lot of research which shows a lot of people actually who are diabetic is dies early because of the diabetic medicine. So there is a lot of research on that one. They call it as a cohort studies. That is my expertise area exactly because I work with the hundreds of people in this area. But don't eat the Ekadashika things exactly. So that is fine, Nagraj. You are going to the personal questions. Now, what is your questions exactly? I not really wanted to ask you what exactly you do and what not do, but I wanted to know what questions you have. So if you don't have questions, I hope we are good to go now. So be blessed. Thank you guys. If you don't have questions, we are good to go now. Thanks. I'm just uploading this video also. If some questions are there, please share this video with your friends and everything, that link, and please register if you want. So I'm just sending you once last time this particular registration link. Please take the advantage. Tomorrow definitely I cannot take anybody. So bye. Have a nice day. Good day to everybody. Thank you very much. Thank you for attending the session. Whichever category you are, please thank you. Be blessed. Have a fantastic life. God bless you all.